Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect QuickBooks Online to Square for accurate sales records step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Apps from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type Square to find the Square app. Click on the Square app from the list of results. On the Square app page, click the Get App Now button. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Square account. Enter your Square account credentials and click Sign In. Once signed in, review the integration details on the next screen. Choose which Square sales categories you want to sync with QuickBooks. Select the appropriate income account where Square sales will be recorded. Click on Connect to complete the integration. Once connected, QuickBooks will automatically import your Square sales transactions. Return to your QuickBooks dashboard. Check the Sales section to ensure your Square transactions are appearing. Monitor the syncing process for accuracy. Set up a schedule for regular syncing if necessary. Keep your Square account in QuickBooks updated to maintain smooth integration. Review your sales records periodically to ensure everything is accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.